Yeah, I noticed that these boys over here are struggling with these parts. Job got messed up when they ordered the wrong material, and they're supposed to run it on the CNC and they can't because the material's not thick enough. So Vinny's over here trying to run it on the mill and he's having a tough time. Trying to run it here. It's a little curved part. Well, it looks like. Yeah, usually the material's thicker and he'll put a groove in it. That way you can flip them back and forth. Vinny's he's doing one side, then he's flipping it over and trying to do the end here, using that as a stop, and of course you're going to get a mismatch in it. I mean, I already knew that was going to happen. So I think I'll let him try for a little bit longer and maybe we'll jump in and help him out. Okay, bye.